Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my 50-day review of the Oppo Reno 12 5G. I've been using this phone as my daily driver for the past 50 days to be exact, and I have a lot to say about it. From its sleek design to its impressive performance, there's a lot to cover. So, let's dive right in and see how the Oppo Reno 12 5G holds up. In my first impressions video, I mentioned how impressed I was with this phone when I first bought it. Do I still feel the same way after 50 days? Absolutely. The Oppo Reno 12 5G still looks elegant with its curved edge display and liquid metallic back design. The thickness and weight are just right, making it comfortable to hold. The chrome metal frame on each side is absolutely gorgeous and remains shiny, even after 50 days of use, although I keep it in its provided jelly case most of the time. The camera design at the back is perfect for me, simple and orderly. You might notice the acrylic camera protector I installed. It doesn't affect the camera quality, but I realized it's not really necessary. However, I decided to keep it for added protection. As for durability, I've already dropped this phone several times, but there are no scratches, cracks, or any damage. It's still functioning well. I'm still using the pre-installed screen protector, which has some scratches on it. I've already bought a new tempered glass screen protector along with the back camera protector I already installed. I'll install them once the pre-installed screen protector gets too scratched up. The Oppo Reno 12 5G boasts a stunning 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for both viewing and gaming experiences. Watching YouTube videos on this display is a delight, thanks to its bright, accurate, and consistently saturated colors. Straight out of the box, it supports HDR10 and Widevine L1 for Netflix, enhancing your streaming experience. In terms of brightness, the phone performs admirably. Indoors, I never needed to go beyond 50% brightness, as the display was sufficiently bright. Outdoors, the screen remained visible enough to avoid squinting, although under direct sunlight, I had to adjust the brightness slightly to see the viewfinder clearly while taking photos. The impressive performance continues with the stereo speaker setup. Despite the phone's compact size, the sound is surprisingly loud. At 80% volume, the audio remains crisp and clear. However, pushing the volume beyond this level can disrupt the balance between the right and left channels. I think this is also noticeable in the Reno 12 Pro, as reported by some users. One area where this phone falls short is its processor, which has been a common complaint among users. Many competitors offer better processor options than the Dimensity 730-Energy. I understand the concern, but for someone who doesn't primarily use this phone for gaming, this chip is decent for its price. Oppo has done a commendable job optimizing this mid-range chip for both gaming and battery life. I tested Genshin Impact to evaluate its gaming capabilities and found the performance to be decent. 45 FPS at medium graphics settings with game mode enabled. Despite the demanding nature of the game, I barely noticed any frame drops or lags. The temperature remained stable even during extended play sessions. As for camera performance, it's impressive. Although Oppo has removed the telephoto lens, which was present in the last two Reno releases, the phone still takes great photos and videos. You can check out my separate video on its camera performance through the link in the description below. The phone runs on ColorOS 14, based on Android 14, and offers a wide range of customization options. These include quick return, smart sidebar, smart suggestions, and one-handed mode, among others. Additionally, the phone is equipped with a suite of AI features, such as the AI eraser, which allows you to easily remove people from your photos. The Smart Sidebar, or AI Toolbox, includes various AI features like AI recording, AI speech, AI summary, and a host of other useful tools. For a deeper look at these features or to learn how to enable the AI Toolbox, check out my video linked in the description below. However, despite its upper mid-range status, the phone still comes with a fair amount of bloatware, including the infamous hot games and apps. One of my top priorities when choosing a phone is signal strength or reception. I've used various Android and iPhone models before, but they all struggled with signal reception in my area. When I heard about Oppo's claims of superior signal reception, I decided to give the Reno 12 5G a try, and I haven't been disappointed. It offers excellent signal strength, even in areas where reception is typically poor. Another great connectivity feature of this phone is Beacon Link. It's a handy feature for places where 5G or Wi-Fi connectivity is unreliable. Although I haven't tried it yet, other reviews suggest it works well. The next standout feature of the Reno 12 is its battery life. Despite its compact size, Oppo has managed to pack in a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. This allows the phone to last an entire day of taking multiple photos, casual gaming, and social media scrolling. For me, the phone typically lasts around 2 days or more, and I often just charge it even when there's still some juice left. Charging is incredibly fast with its 80-watt SuperVOOC charger. Charging from low to full takes less than an hour. While some may argue that this phone is overpriced given its specs, I believe Oppo has done a great job balancing design, build quality, and software optimization. If you're looking for a highly powerful phone solely for gaming, this might not be the best choice. However, if you want a well-balanced mid-range phone in both hardware and software, the Oppo Reno 12 5G is an excellent option. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.